So this is basically a past paper question of errors and correction. Let's look at the first entry. Can you please read it?
Yeah. Repairs to office equipment of $281 had been correctly entered in cash book but had been
Repairs to office equipment, which is the correct entry.
repairs to office equipment. So repairs is going to be debited.
And it is correctly entered in the cash book. That means you don't have to do anything with the cash book. So what will you write in the correct entry?
You will write repairs debited.
Repairs debit. What did you do?
We wrote this in the cash book, but we didn't write in the office equipment account.
Read properly. What did
Had
you
been
do?
it had been correctly entered in the cash book, but had been entered in the office account.
Office equipment account. You
Yeah.
entered it in the office equipment account. That means you treated it as a non-current asset.
Yeah.
Okay. What was this? This was an expense. And your expense you treated as a non-current asset.
Yeah.
Can you tell me which error is this?
Error of principle.
This is an error of principle. So you actually had to debit which account?
Repairs to office equipment.
You had to debit the repairs account. But you debited which account?
Office equipment account.
Your wrong entry, what will you write?
You will write office equipment debit.
When you reverse, what will you do?
Office equipment credit.
So in your rectification entry,
Office repairs debit, office equipment credit.
are you with me? Next one.
A sales invoice issued to AB had been overcast by 100.
In overcast, undercast, do you do wrong reverse correct rectification?
No.
So sales is overcast. Overcast,
Same side.
same side.
Yeah.
Overcast,
And it's opposite side.
sales has what balance?
Sales has credit balance.
So opposite side will be
Credit.
opposite side.
Opposite side will be debit.
So the entry will be
Sales debit, suspense credit.
sales debit, suspense credit. Next one.
The balance of petty cash book 150 had not been entered in the trial balance.
What error is this?
Error of partial omission.
Okay, omission. So if you have not entered something in the trial balance, what will you do?
You have to enter it.
What is the journal entry to enter it?
It would be
Petty cash book has what balance?
debit.
So it will be petty cash book.
Debit and suspense credit.
It will be petty cash book, debit and suspense credit. Fourth entry.
Yeah. General expenses of $1120 had been correctly entered in the cash book, but entered in the general expenses account as $1210.
It is
So this is,
correctly done in the cash book, so I will do nothing in the cash book.
yeah,
What is the error that you have done?
error of original entry.
It is error of original entry, wrong amount. Okay. So what is the correct one?
So for this, the correct would be general expenses debit 1120.
Yes. You have correctly done in the cash book, so you will do nothing in the cash book.
Yeah.
What will be the wrong part?
Wrong part would be general expenses debit 1210.
Reverse.
General expenses debit one. General expenses credit 1210.
One debit, one credit.
Yeah.
Debit is 1120.
Hmm.
Credit is 1210.
Yeah.
So in the rectification, what will you put?
You have to put 1120 minus 1210, right?
What is the amount?
1 minute. 90.
90. Which side is more?
Credit side.
So what will you write?
So you'll write general expenses credit 90 and suspense debit.
Hmm. Read the next one.
Yeah, Miss Moni. The total of the discount allowed column in the cash book $1024 had not been transferred to the discount allowed account in the ledger.
Which error is this?
Um, Compensating error.
You did not transfer the discount. That means you did not write it.
So omission.
Omission.
Okay.
How will you correct it?
So you have to write it. So
What
it
will you
would
write?
be discount discount allowed is debited.
What will be credited?
Suspense.
Next one.
Yeah. Hmm. A check of $2060 paid to AK suppliers had been debited in the cash book, which had a positive balance, and credited to the account of AK suppliers.
So when you pay money to AK suppliers, what
Hmm.
the journal entry should be?
You're paying a check now. So it'll be bank debit, AK suppliers
The
credit.
bank money is coming in.
Bank credit.
You're paying a check, right?
Yeah, so bank debit.
When do you debit bank? When money comes in or goes out?
When money comes in.
So here you're paying the money, right?
Yeah,
So money is coming in or is it going out?
going out.
So bank debit or credit?
Credit.
How much?
2060.
And who will be debited?
AK suppliers.
AK supply. What is the wrong that you did?
You credited AK suppliers by mistake.
Here, it's written what you've done.
Oh, you debited bank
And
and credited AK suppliers.
so you have debited bank
Hmm.
and you have credited AK suppliers.
Yeah.
How will you reverse this entry?
You will do AK suppliers debit and bank credit.
What will the rectification entry be?
Miss, do you have to add both the amounts for rectification?
Yes. Debit and debit you will add.
Yeah, okay. So
AK suppliers debit 2060 plus 2060. 4120.
yeah, 4120.
Bank will be credited by
4120.
okay.
Hmm.
Next one.
Next one would be the total of purchase return account. $454 had not been entered in the trial balance. So this is also omission.
How will you rectify it?
Purchase return is credited. So suspense would be debited.
Lovely. So this is how you pass your rectification entries.
Yeah.
And then you prepare a suspense account. So we also have to prepare a suspense account. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Let's prepare the suspense account. In the first, do you have anything related to suspense? First entry?
No.
Second entry, suspense credit.
Yeah.
Suspense credit. So sales will be?
Debit.
Okay. On the credit side of the suspense. On the credit side of the suspense, you will write sales.
Sales. Yeah.
How much? 100.
Yeah.
Your third entry. Suspense is credit by?
150.
So on the credit side of the suspense, you will write what?
Petty cash book.
Petty cash book. Your next one. Your fourth entry. This is your fourth entry.
Yeah.
Suspense is debit by 90.
Yeah.
So on the debit of suspense, you will write what?
General expense.
Fifth entry. Suspense is credit by
Credit.
1024.
1024.
Discount allowed. Sixth entry.
Suspenses.
There is no in the sixth one.
Yeah. Seventh one.
Suspense is debit by
454.
454. Purchase return. Now you do the total. The credit is more. 1024 plus 150 plus 100. One two seven four.
Yeah.
Minus 454 minus 90.
731.
730.
Oh.
This will be the difference in the trial balance.
Yeah.
Okay?